Good morning, greetings, salutations, YouTube. It's Adrian here. Welcome to another episode of the vlog. I am in the kitchen right now. I'm just getting everything situated for the morning, but I'm actually also watching the NASA SpaceX launch. It was scheduled for takeoff a few days ago, I believe, but it had to be rescheduled to today, which is awesome because I missed it last time. So that is what I'm watching right now. But I'm just going to clean up around the house while I'm watching. The living room is a little messy, and I definitely want to make some changes around the house today, but I think I want to start off by cleaning everything up just a little bit. Okay, quick update. We are still watching the SpaceX thing. Hasn't launched yet. And Mom is in here. We're also waiting for our groceries because she ordered some from Costco. And they should hopefully come any minute now. She prepared some bulgogi for dinner tonight. So yummy, I cannot wait. Or lunch. Ooh, lunch. And we're eating some leftover pizzas, and I'm putting the garlic spread on them from Trader Joe's, which is right over here. This stuff is so good. It's good on everything. So yummy. Alright guys, we got some more flowers from the garden, and I am just going to snip off the extra leaves. And there we go, so pretty. Yes, our Costco order just arrived. Time to take everything in. Okay, Costco haul. I'll show you guys what we ended up getting. So we got bananas, bread, Diet Coke, creamer, milk, Eggos. I think this is half and half. Heavy cream, potatoes, apples, cucumber, avocados, more potatoes. Got some ground beef, some chicken, more chicken wings, yes. Some shrimp. We got a ton of oranges, crackers, croissants, some coffee, olive oil, Nutella, green sauce, assorted tortillas, vinegar, sugar, and rice. Alright, before I start digging in the rest of the stuff, I want to show you guys, Mom just started making Korean pancakes, which I'm very excited about. And also, the Spaceship's gonna launch in like 10 or 15 minutes or something, so another thing to be excited about. Ooh, there's lots of things to be excited about today. Korean food, spaceships. We're living the life. Also, we can't forget Mom's garden. Her flowers are looking spectacular in this vase. This is my thrifted vase from John Fast. This whole little area right there is thrifted. Both vases, this stone slab, loving it. Ooh, Mom is making the pancakes already. We're really excited. She also made a new sauce that she's gonna try. How is it, Mom?
Yum yum.
Also, the spaceship is about to take off any minute now. Okay, the spaceship launched. Very cool. And then now, Mom is still making her pancakes. So good. Mom finished making the pancakes, and now she's making some bulgogi, and she has a hot plate going right there that we put the bulgogi on top of, so it'll stay nice and warm. So I decided to have an impromptu fancy lunch party with the family. So I set up the table. Again, all thrifted things on the table. I love it. These are Anthropologie. These are Isaac Mizrahi. Anthropologie. I think that's, I forgot her name. Vera Wang. Yes. Jonathan Adler. Love it. So good. So we have our Korean pancakes. Mom's special dipping sauce for the pancakes. We have bulgogi. I even set up the kids' table over here, which looks super cute. They love eating outside. So I have their little plates and spoon and forks too. And also a little vase of flowers, and it is very windy right now. Yikes. Hey guys, we're in the kitchen right now. I'm going to make a dalgona coffee because I haven't had one yet today. So I think it would be super delicious. And for some reason I have a habit of making dalgona at nighttime. Don't know why. Caffeine doesn't affect me at nighttime though, so it doesn't really matter, but it's just so delicious. Okay, so this is how I make my dalgona. I use 1 tablespoon of sugar right there, and then 1 tablespoon of coffee, and I'm gonna get 1 tablespoon of warm water, and then we're gonna mix that up and whip it until it's like nice and frothy. Alright, there it is. Now we're just gonna mix it up. I find that using the whisk attachment is better than using like the regular ones. I feel like it does like a better job. So I start off a little bit slow first, then I just pick up the speed. And I feel like this is so super fast. I feel like if you use the other attachment or if you do it by hand, it takes really, really long. But if you do it this way, it's super fast. Look at that. You could probably go a little bit more too. There we go. Okay, so because the novelty of like the dalgona has already kind of worn off on me, I just make it because the taste is delicious. So I put a little bit of creamer in there. I put a little bit of chocolate to give it like a little chocolatey taste. And oh, I forgot to shake this up. Then I'm just gonna add my oat milk, and then I'm actually gonna just blend it all together. Okay, so shook it up. I'm gonna add that in. That. Then we're just gonna mix it all together. So you don't have to do it like this if you like want the look of the dalgona, but I'm just looking for the taste, and I like it when it's all mixed up and incorporated. So I just mix it all together, and that is like perfect for me. So I cannot wait. So I have my cup full of ice. And then I just pour this all in like that. And then I am good to go. And this is so delicious. I cannot wait to eat this or drink this. Alright, now I'm gonna make a Korean egg sandwich. But I'm gonna make it maybe with avocado like I did before. It was so delicious, and a couple of you guys have been asking me to show you how I made it. So I'm using 3 large eggs, and I'm gonna whisk it or mix it up like they're scrambled eggs. And I'm gonna season this with a little bit of salt and pepper as well. Alright, I'm gonna use like the butt of the bread. I'm gonna make 2 of these sandwiches and like the regular piece as well. And I'm just gonna cut these in half like that. Alright, so I got my avocado. I'm just gonna scoop it out of here. Ooh, delicious. Now I'm heating up the pan on medium high heat. And you can use oil or butter. I actually just really like using the oil spray. I've used butter in the past. It's good, but I don't know, I feel like I like the oil spray the most. So I'm just gonna let this heat up. I'm actually gonna put the eggs on already. Again, I'm cooking this kind of at a pretty low heat. Get this in the sink. And then I'm gonna get my pieces of bread. I'm just gonna do that, and then that, and then I'm just gonna let it cook. Alright, now I'm going to attempt to flip it. Cross your fingers. Say a little prayer for me. This is like the most difficult part, is to try and flip it, but luckily I have this like extra large spatula. Whoa, why is it so sticky? Guess I didn't spray it good enough. And then I'm just gonna add my avocado slices to it in a second once I start folding it in. And then I'm just gonna add my seasoning, and then fold it up. And voila. I don't know why my pan is like looking like a hot mess. Probably didn't use enough oil or the spray, but yeah, looks so good. Trust me, this is gonna be so delicious. All right, John, try it.
Way to talk.
Oh, alright, are you gonna try it now?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. Oh, oh no. Oh.
Cool.
The egg broke when I was trying to flip it, that's why. How is it? Is it delicious?
Yeah.
Is it even better than last time?
Yeah.
Yum. Okay guys, in my room now. The sandwich was delicious. John really liked it. And I'm finishing up my dalgona coffee. But that's going to be the end of the video. So much fun today. I feel like all we did was like eat and just like hang out. But you know what? That's what you do on a Saturday sometimes. And it was super duper fun. But anyway, I'll see you guys tomorrow bright and early for a new video at 7. And until then, I bid you all adieu. Bye!